Hello, my name is Karen Hughes. In this module, we're going to discuss how to create a chart and investigate in the Gateway server as part of the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization How-To video series. So investigate is a component of the Gateway server that's part of BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization. In investigate, you have the ability to drill down into real-time data and then graph that data that'll start showing up every 10 seconds. To do that, you need to connect to capacity agents. You need to select a drill down on any metric group that connects to one of those agents or more agents. And then you actually select the metric in the metric group you want to graph and the system or systems that you want to graph. Once you do that, you have the ability to scroll back in time and actually see historical data. Or you can see near real-time data coming in every 10 seconds. So let's take a look at how we can accomplish this in BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization. Okay, so let's launch the solution by going Start, All Programs, BMC Software, BMC Performance Assurance, BMC Performance Assurance Console. Okay, now that the solution appears, I'm going to navigate over to the Investigate component. I'm going to expand it and navigate to the policy that I want to select. And then I can either choose the individual machine or select the policy itself, and that will determine whether or not I only have one machine or multiple machines potentially in my drill down. Because we want to do a chart, we can either do one of two things. If you've already done a drill down before, you can already just select the metric and the system that you want to graph, or you can do a new drill down on some type of metric that you want to graph. So perhaps we want to do our system configuration, and you can see here's the new metric group that I selected. And if I wanted to graph something, how you graph is you simply click on the left side of the row that you want, and then the metric that you want across the top. And let's find one that's actually going to graph nicely. Perhaps clock rate. And you select the column. At the intersection of those two items, you right-click and say Chart, and it'll automatically graph that particular metric. Now, if you were on something that had multiple rows, for instance, process statistics, you can see I can double-click on the process name. It's going to alphabetize the processes, and I can either manually select by holding down the Shift button the ones I want, or I could just hold down the Shift button and hold down the Control key, and it will actually select all of the ones in that location. Then again, like before, I could select the column that I want, and perhaps I want total CPU. And again, at the intersection, you right-click and say Chart, and it's going to launch a chart with that particular data. I also can scroll back in time to see my historical data by clicking on the arrows at the bottom of the graph. And that's how easy it is to create a graph in Investigate. And that concludes this module in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization How-To video series. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to you listening to other how-to videos as part of the series in the future. Thanks and have a great day.